Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm gonna do the unboxing of Samsung Galaxy A04 smartphone. So now quickly open it up. So here in top we get this small box of Samsung, and here we get the SIM ejector pin, and if we see inside it, so here we get the reading manuals. So no transparent back case you get in the box. Okay, and guys, here's the phone itself. It is in copper color. The black and green color is also available. Okay, we come to the phone later. Let's see what else we get inside the box. So here we get the USB type C to USB 2.0 cable. Okay, and guys, this is the 15-watt fast charger you get in the box. This is the 15-watt fast charger you get in the box, which is a really good thing. Okay, that's all we get. Keep this aside and come to the phone. So here's the phone itself in copper color. Now remove its plastic cover. So you can see this is the copper color phone. You can see, if we talk about the design, it has quality design. You can see new ambient edge design. You can see alluring curved edge with a glossy back. You can see it has a glossy back. The design of the phone is looking really great. You can see with glossy back, it has a great design. And if we talk about its physical overview, in top we get the secondary microphone, and on bottom we get the main speakers, USB type C port, main microphone, and 3.5 mm headphone jack. On this side we get the volume up and down key and power on off key, and on this side we get the SIM tray. So now quickly eject it up. So here we get the triple card slot. You can insert 2 nano SIM and 1 micro SD card up to 1 TB, which is a really good thing. And here we get the dual camera setup, 50 megapixel and 2 megapixel depth camera with LED flash over there. And on front it has 6.5 inches HD plus LCD display, and here we get the 5 megapixel front camera and infinity V notch display. Okay, so that's all we get. So now quickly boot this up and set up the device. So here I have set up the device and phone is starting. So this is the main screen of Samsung Galaxy A04 smartphone. If we slide from top, we get the notification center. You can see the helpful quick settings and brightness adjustment is also available there. You can see. And if you slide from bottom, we get the app drawer. You can see. And here we get the Google feedback feature available. You can see, if we tap here, if we go there, we slide from left, we get the Google feedback feature. So now quickly go to settings, and if we go in about phone, if we check the software information, so you can see it is running on One UI Core version 4.1 and the current version is Android 12. It is running on Android 12, and the Android security patch level is of 1 October 2022. Yep guys, if we talk about the UI of the phone, it is running smooth. You can see the UI of the smartphone is running really smooth. You can see. No doubt, it's running smooth. Yep, it is running really smooth. And here we get the bloatware application. Just tap and hold it and tap on uninstall to uninstall the bloatware application like this. Snapchat is successfully uninstalled. Okay, after it, if we talk about its camera, here are some shots I took with Samsung Galaxy A04 smartphone in different lighting condition with different modes. And if we talk about its face unlock performance, just quickly check this out. What's the face unlock performance is? Here I'm not seeing. I see, and it unlock the phone. You can see. I'm not seeing. I look, and it unlock the phone quickly, guys. Okay, the face unlock performance is really fast. You can see. I'm not seeing. I see, and it quickly unlock the phone. You can see. Yep, guys, the face unlock performance is fast and responsive. You can see. I look and it quickly unlock the phone. You can see. The face unlock performance is really fast and responsive. Here you can see. It quickly unlock the phone. I'm not seeing. I see and it quickly unlock the phone. So guys, this is the unboxing of Samsung Galaxy A04 smartphone. Guys, if you have any particular question about this device, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.